been attending a workshop, and that is how to create an opportunity for an online business. And I want to just give you a little bit of information in a nutshell. And if this intrigues you or you are interested, then that's fantastic. We can have a one-to-one conversation, online appointment, and we can explore it a little bit more. Now, just as a backdrop, my story, I've been in corporate for over 40 years. I've worked for a brand or various brands, and I did my very best. I excelled at work, and I found that I had corporate fatigue where I didn't even know. A couple of years back, what happened was that I would notice that I would park my car on a Friday and only move it on a Monday to go back to work. And when I look back now, I realize the seriousness of realizing where you are at when you are a corporate lady working really hard. And why I'm sharing the workshop with you today is just to say to you that there might be something that you have. You have a passion, you have a talent, you have a hobby, and you'd like to share that with the world. Often we just need a little bit of excitement in our lives so that we can improve how we feel every day. So just generally, if you think about what is your perfect client's one problem, what that person's problem, perhaps it is to lose weight, okay? What is their desire that they become fit and healthy? And you are then the bridge between the problem and the solution, or between the pain the person has and their desire. You are that bridge. So in the health industry, it could be doing a fitness plan, talking about how you can cook on a budget, plus you could lose weight. Whatever it may be, you know that there are people that have a pain and you have a solution. So generally, there are so many people out there that can do with your story and your tips and tricks and your modules or workshops or webinars to help them. So I wanted to say to you today that I realized that my perfect client is in the corporate world because I know it. I experienced it. I've got wisdom. Yes, I worked for various corporate companies over the last 40 years. And, I realized what my skill, my passion is and what people would need. And that is where I'm filling that bridge. So corporate women that are just feeling totally fatigued, exhausted, they're in a rut. They do things because they're expected to do it. So they work from that time to that time. Most corporate people work after hours. And that is just generally the reality. If you're finding that you would like to lighten the load a little bit for yourself and see a light at the end of the tunnel, you might also be looking at your pension. So you're going to have a look once a month what it is. You look at the forecast and you see whether you'll be able to retire or not. Now, we all know with inflation, economy, etc., things are just getting more and more difficult. There's such a small percentage of people that actually can retire and actually afford it. Something that hit home really, really seriously to me the other day was I realized my mum lived to 90. So if one retires at 60, you need to know that you have got for 30 years, 60, 70, 80, 90, 30 years, enough to be able to sustain yourself without having to rely on others or relying on children or so forth. So that is what I'm focusing on at the moment. And if you want to know more about corporate fatigue and what you could do to maybe just add a spark to your life and a little bit more interest and give you a hobby or a passion that can generate an income for you, then just message me one-on-one and we can have a one-to-one call or an online appointment and let's pursue that and let's see what is out there for you. Just message me. Look forward to hearing from you.